Some catamarans make sense on paper. The Horizon PC60 makes sense at 6 in the morning when the inlet is flat and the run ahead of you is wide open, built by Horizon Power Catamarans. The PC60 is their flagship, a twin-hull platform built for passage, sized to cover distance before a smaller boat would even clear the breakwater. Twin-man diesels below deck push hard, and the catamaran hull doesn't lean, it holds. You're past the inlet and into open water in minutes, with enough fuel aboard to make a day of it or two. The Portuguese deck is what sets this boat apart. At the factory, you choose an on-deck master stateroom that opens directly to the cockpit, or a full forward salon that takes the deck wide open. The flybridge runs the full width of the boat, shaded, air-conditioned, up top when the sun gets serious. Room below for 4 staterooms and 3 baths, enough to bring your crew and stay put. And onboard power management, that means you're not thinking about the grid. You're thinking about where to anchor next. Drop the hook in a protected bay. Set up the cockpit. Let the hull do what a 24-foot beam does. Hold steady while the afternoon wind picks up and everyone on board relaxes. This is the kind of boat where the day doesn't have a deadline. It ends when you decide to head in. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.